how to block all adult website on Google Chrome in Android phone. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on this tutorial we will learn how we can block all the adult website on Google Chrome in your Android device. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to launch the Chrome application in the mobile device. Once you're here, tap on the three dot at the top right and then tap on Settings. Under Settings, scroll down a bit and then tap on Privacy and Security. Here, scroll down and under Security, tap on Use Secure DNS. Here, choose the second option, that is, choose another provider. And here, tap on the Custom drop-down and here choose Clean Browsing Family Filter. And once you have done that, now you have blocked all the adult website on Chrome or Google Chrome in your Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.